Here we got old 55-year-old American Standard furnace. This thing's been in the house since my grandparents bought it. It gets serviced every single year. Oh, the gas just shut off. It vibrates sometimes, but this is where the gas goes. Here's the model numbers. I don't know if you can see it, but here's the American Standard logo. There's a humidifier system, and here is things that my grandpa wrote on there. Most has filter takes. That's how you access the filter right there. There's vents on this side. Yeah. That's about it for this thing. I'll see y'all in the next one.